Mike Innovative Door. We're going to show you a fleetcraft truck trailer door. And yeah, there are two different colored panels, but you can see those are 11-inch to make this door work, because each one of these truck doors, believe it or not, has a different height. They're set up differently, so we had to customize this one and get some 11-inch panels in there to make it work great. Everything else is brand spanking. Everything is brand spanking. Lock. Fleetcraft. I mean, you just seen the way that that thing just floated up. I mean, it's totally just floated. All new hinges, all new rollers. Okay. Customized the top. Got all the hinges there, all over there, the top fixtures, everything. This door rolls like $1 million. The one they had in here is just other garbage, and that's it. I guess my bit of advice is for maintenance, just make sure you oil and spray these things. A lot of these truck doors we see are just trashed. No one oils them or lubes them, and they just get trashed, and that's the end of them. So for Fleetcraft truck trailer door, okay, Innovative 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching our Fleetcraft truck trailer door video, and as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.